Hey YouTubers, DIY Hobby here. So my daughter just gave me her key fob to replace the battery on it. And as you can tell, there's no area for you to stick a screwdriver in to kind of pop these open. So let's go ahead and swap the battery on this remote real quick. What you need to do is go ahead and take your key off from the remote or the fob, and you see those two in the middle of the fob. It looks like a 3 and an E. You want to stick your key in between those two marks there. So there's the 3 and the E. Then you're going to grab your key, stick it right in between, like so. Then you're going to kind of pop it open. And there's your battery you need to swap. So you're going to have to swap it off with a CR 2032 3-volt battery. And what you're going to do is basically grab your battery, pop it out from here, slide it out, grab your new battery. This is a Duracell 2032. Pop it in, and that's it. When you put your remote back together, go ahead and start with this end here and kind of snap them back in together. Make sure that this side, that the front part here is tight, like so, and just snap them back in the same way you took it apart. Okay, put the battery back or your key back in. And that's it. You just swapped your battery on your key fob. Easy peasy. Please subscribe.